How's it going, everyone, and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be working on my 2007 Duramax again. Last time we got quite a bit of stuff removed, but we still have quite a bit to go. Today I'm going to be hopefully getting the bed removed, but I got to get the fuel box unhooked or disconnected and removed first, and hopefully we can get that bed off. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so I finally got the bed off. Went pretty simple. Got a little bit sketchy because I forgot to unscrew the filler neck. Total rookie mistake. But didn't end up messing anything up and was able to get the whole bed off. So now I'm gonna pressure wash everything off. I mean, there's so much mud and dirt up in here. I wanna make sure and get it all pressure washed off before I repaint all these areas and get any of the minimal rust off of it. I'm also going to remove the hitch and spare tire because my plan is to be able to fit it in this third garage over here, especially when I remove the doors. I don't want it sitting out in the front yard. So yeah, let's get going on that. Also, one quick note for those of you wondering how you remove the bed. There's 8 bolts, 2 in the back, 2 about the center of the spare tire. You've got 2 just in front of the rear wheels, and then 2 right behind the cab. All right, so we got it all pressure washed off. And right here is a perfect example of why location really matters when you're buying a vehicle. This truck is 17 years old, has nearly 500,000 miles on it. And this is all the rust that's on it. Pretty basic, all surface level, all easily removed with the wire wheel. So it has really held together really well. And I'm gonna be wire wheeling all this off and repainting it just as soon as these California fires slow down. I don't have ash covering my vehicles and getting in everything, but that'll be coming soon. So one other thing I wanted to mention is you may have seen me struggling to get the spare tire down a little bit, and that's because on these GM models there's this secondary latch, and it was stuck and it would not release. So after doing some research, it seems like that's actually a pretty common problem. And if you do have a GM vehicle with a spare tire back here like this, I'd definitely recommend lowering it just to make sure that it's not stuck, because if you're on the side of the road and you don't have any tools with you, following the manual definitely did not help. So I would definitely check that out. So that's gonna pretty much do it for this video. I just picked up the paint, so in the next video, I'm gonna be finally laying some paint down. It's just been a lot of prep work in between. But as always, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.